Hello students, today we are going to discussing about the continuation of human reproductive system. In the last class we discussed the extra embryonic membranes which one can form after implantation of the embryo and that is amnion, chorion, yolk sac as well as allantois and all. Then between placenta as well as fetus, which one can connect it, that is the umbilical cord, which one can supply all this material. Then apart from this one, what are the morphological changes, what type of organs, tissues, which one can be developed in that germinal layers and all. That today we are discussing about that one. Apart from this one, what is done by parturition as well as lactation, what is the developmental changes takes place during this particular gestation period. For easy understanding purpose, the gestation period, especially in here, one can separate it into, segregate it into the first trimester, second trimester, third trimester. One trimester means 3 months and all, like that. In that one, the beginning one can discuss about, that is what are the tissues, organs, organ systems, which one can form in that germinal layers and all. In the germinal layers. Normally, these three germinal layers, ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm, which one can develop in the second week of that pregnancy and all. In this one, what are the organs as well as the tissues, organ systems are developed and all. That is epidermis. In that epidermis, what type of these organs, which one can be developed and all. From epidermis, in that embryonic layer, one can be formed, that is the skin, one can be formed. In that skin, it will be formed that the hairs as well as nails, as well as the pigmented part, that is the melatonin and all these parts. Apart from this one, that particular sweat glands as well as sebaceous glands, everything it will be present and all. Along with this one, it is also present into the teeth part. The teeth, especially one can present enamel part. Enamel. That. Then, apart from this one, the surrounding of the teeth, it will be present gums and all. Then, basal part of that oral cavity, that is the mouth and all, as well as cheeks. Then, apart from this one, nasal cavity. Nasal cavity, then one among these salivary glands also one can be formed and all. That salivary glands as well as that nasal cavities as well as that is the cheek. Another important one, that is the lower part of that anal cavity. Lower part of anal cavity. Anal cavity, it will be formed. Then, apart from all this one, it is also derived, related to some nerve system parts. In the nerve system parts, in this epidermis, in nerve system part, neurons as well as neuroglia as well as myelin sheaths. Then that is related to the myelin sheath, neuroglia except microglia, it will be formed under. That is neurons, neuroglia as well as the Schwann cells. Then apart from this one, it is also present except microglia, remaining part, that what is the outer membrane, like brain and spinal cord, like pia matter as well as arachnoid matter, it is also developed, like pia and arachnoid membranes of that brain and spinal cord also originated from the ectodermal layer. Then related to eyes, In that one, outermost part of this is conjunctiva, cornea. So conjunctiva as well as cornea as well as lens, then iris muscles, then vitreous humor, then one among the membrane of the eye, that is retina. So in this one can remember carefully the same part which one can be present remaining mesoderm and all. Then where one can be variation, that is important. Then related to ear, external ear, here one can form external ear, then outer that particular tympanic membrane, outer tympanic membrane also one can be formed. Then along with this one, lower membranous labyrinth in ear, that inner ear, that membranous labyrinth in outer tympanic membrane related to ear, which one can be formed. Then related to reproductive organs. Related to reproductive organs, if you observe in related to female and all, in female reproductive part and all, the complete development of one among the external genitalia like labia majora, then outer part of labia minora, outer part of labia minora, then interior, that last part of urethra in males and all. Apart from this one, here mammary glands. Then related to the male, the last part of urethra, the last part of urethra, it will be present. Along with this one, certain type of these hormones. In hormones, if you observe, especially adrenal medulla, then adrenal medulla, you remember like AM, then pituitary gland, pineal gland, the pituitary as well as pineal glands. Such type of these hormones as well as different various parts, which one can be originated in this ectodermal and all. Then apart from this one, then what one can present into the in mesodermal germinal layer, which one can from related to differentiation. Suppose in skin epidermis it will be formed, nails will be formed, hairs will be formed, that sweat glands, sebaceous glands from. But here related to skin one can form dermis, that dermis layer of skin and all. Then apart from this one, related to neural one, in that neural cavity, here pia and arachnoid matter it will be formed. There dura matter of that particular brain and spinal cord. Dura matter which one can form related to variations and all. Then apart from this one, hormonal, related to hormones, there is the cortex of adrenal gland. Related to eyes, it will be present, the innermost membrane retina it will be formed. Here that outermost layer sclerota as well as choroid membrane. Here sclerota and choroid membranes are present and all. Then apart from this one, only here it will be formed iris. It will be formed iris and ciliary body. Then related to ear, basal part of tympanic membrane. The basal part of tympanic membrane it will be formed. Related to reproduction, their male and female it will present. Here male except prostate, remaining parts it will be originated and all. Here that except that prostate, one among these accessory one, remaining like testes and all, which one can be originated in this particular mesoderm. So these are related to comparison with the epidermis as well as mesodermis. That comparison very important. In that one only, they may chance to ask any one among these options and all, to make it confusion and all. Then apart from this one, here it is also develops into the muscles. All type of muscles also one can develop except iris muscles and all. Then along with this one, here also one can develop excretory organ systems like kidneys, ureters, as well as the trigonum of urinary bladder. Not complete urinary bladder, the last part of urinary bladder, which one can be formed related to this one. Then apart from this one, in circulatory system, here it is formed heart, blood vessels, as well as the blood and the blood cells, as well as the lymphatic, as well as the spleen. All these circulatory system, whatever the parts which one can present, all it will be developed related to this one. Then along with this one, it is also present regarding related to that muscles as well as in that particular brain and spinal cord. In that one especially, which one can avoided. Then along with this one, microglia as well as it is also present into the notochord. One among these, that particular part, notochord, mesenteron, like that, some additional parts. That means which one can comparison apart from this one, these parts also which one can be formed in that mesoderm. Then related to endodermis, in that endodermal layer, majorly one can originate it, that is digestion as well as respiratory parts of that particular fetus and endodermis layer. In this one, the majorly digestion part like mouth, like pharynx, as well as the palate, which are upper part, it will be present. It is also related to part of that epidermis also, palate. It is a common under. Then along with this one, tonsils, tongue and tonsils. Then esophagus, then stomach, then small intestine, then large intestine, like that. Almost all part of digestive systems, which one can accessory parts one can include it, like liver, as well as gallbladder. Then apart from this one, pancreas. In that pancreas, islets of Langerhans. Like that, in that related to that particular digestion part, it is also, it will be present under. Then respiratory parts like larynx as well as trachea, bronchi as well as lungs and all. Larynx, trachea, bronchi and lungs. These are respiratory parts, it will be present under. Apart from this one, in this one among this one, that mesothelium of pleural membrane, which one can derive from mesoderm. Here, one more additionally, that is a mesothelium of, that is the pleural membrane, which are presented to the respiratory one. Then apart from this one, mesothelium of pericardial membrane, mesothelium of peritoneum membrane and all. So like that mesothelium. But in endoderm, this endoderm is epithelium one. Their mesothelium, their epithelium of this all, epithelium of that mouth, pharynx, everything, epithelium of everything will be present related to excretory parts, then urinary bladder, epithelium of that urinary bladder, it will be formed under. Related to hormones, in that hormones, normally it will be develops into the thyroid, parathyroid as well as thymus and all. Thyroid, parathyroid and thymus glands, which one can be formed related to hormonal actions and all. In that hormonal part where one can be originated and all. Apart from this one, here, one more part here, there is the outer part of that anal cavity. Outer part of anal cavity, which one can be derivated from this one. Lower part of anal cavity, epidermis, outer part of anal cavity related to endodermis. Like that variable, it will be present and all. Then related to ear, if we observe related to ear, then eustachian, epithelium of eustachian canal between ear as well as mouth, there also one can be formed. Apart from this one, middle ear, it is also develops from middle ear, epithelium of middle ear, whatever the organs which one can be present, there also one can be originated from this endodermis and all. So majorly it will be present like digestion, respiration, excretion, hormones as well as ears. Apart from this one, some reproductive parts, especially accessory reproductive parts like accessory glands, which one can be present related to male like prostate as well as cowpers. Then related to female like vestibular, that is which one can, this vestibular, which one can larger as well as a smaller one, that is the vestibular skin glands, vestibular longer glands, everything both it will be present and all. So vestibular glands, either longer as well as the smaller shorter one, which one can both it will be present and all. That is related to female and all. Like that, both reproduction as well as respiration as well as circulation, except circulation, but reproduction and digestion, majorly digestion and respiration, some amount of these also it will present. So any two you must remember carefully, then one can answer and all. So among these three particular germinal layers, whatever the organs it will be present, compulsory one bit they must be asked. Any two, your choice, either epidermis, endodermis or mesodermis as well as endodermis, any two. Rest of this one oppositely, one can easily understand and all. Then coming to what is the developmental, embryonic development and all. What is the embryonic developmental changes one can take place in the gestation period and all. So embryonic development. Embryonic developmental changes in different stages and all. Suppose in the gestation period, it is weeks and all. This is the first week. In first week, what type of changes one can take place? First week, one can take place cleavage, then formation of blastocyst, then implantation. Here, cleavage as well as formation of blastocyst as well as implantation. It is also most important. Then in second week of the pregnancy, second week of that particular gestation, in gestation period, normally germinal layers, it will be present germinal layers. That is ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderms are present under. Then the third week of that particular pregnancy, womb of the mother, which one can, first two organs are developed. What is the first two organs which one can develop after formation of this pregnancy? That is most important. It is the brain and spinal cord. First one can formation, that is the backbone as well as that neural cord. Apart from this one, these first two organs, there is a brain and spinal cord. There is the neural canal-like structure as well as this is the first two organs which one can be present under. Then in related to fourth week, in that fourth week, which one can be formed heart as well as blood vessels. Here heart, blood vessels as well as gut formation. Gut in that sense related to digestion canal and all. Then apart from this one, umbilical cord formation. Then in the fifth week of that pregnancy, it will be formed that particular that tubular, elongated tubular heart, which one can shows their heartbeat. Elongated, that is the tubular heart functioning. With the help of ultra scanning, which one can identify, yes, baby, it will be survivable or not. Fifth week means after completion of first month, which one can identify with the help of ultra scanning. Apart from this one, small limb buds appears. Like hands as well as the legs, that related parts under limb buds, which one can be appears under. Then related to sixth week, one can observe ear as well as ear, one can be ear, which one can be formed. Then little bit apart from this one, eyes and eyes. Eyes also, it is ready to developing, ready to started in that sixth week of that particular pregnancy. Then related to seventh week, if you observe, all internal organs are developed. All internal organs are developed. Then face will be formed externally. Then apart from this one, hands as well as legs ready to started. Hands and feet are starting, are initial stage. Then mouth will be formed. Mouth will be formed. So that is in that seventh month and all. Then related to then continuation 8th, 9th, 10th, almost all it will be developed under. Then internally with the help of mitotic division, which one can multiply. Then coming to 12th week, that means after completion of first trimester, fully developed fetus, it will be formed. Fully developed fetus formed here, all organs as well as muscles, bones, here all organs, that muscles, bones as well as fingers as well as toes. Fingers related to hands, toes related to that like hind limbs under which one can form. Apart from this one, that 6 organs. Sex organs are developed. It is here only first movement, but mother may not be identified. But first movement one can take place after completion of third month of that particular pregnancy and all. Then sex organs also one can develop. That is sex determination, which one can indicates related to father chromosomes. Why? Because half of X, half of Y. One among the X chromosome of sperm, which one can fusion with X chromosome of the maternal one can formation of the daughter. Y chromosome, which one can fusion with X, that is the male. Then related to in this 20th week, after in this one further growth and development one can take place. Then hair growth it will be started. Hair growth it will be initiated. Then along with this one, eyelids, eyelashes it will be develops. Eyelids and eyebrows. Eyebrows it will be formed. Then in this particular stage only, the mother which one can feeling that particular movement of that particular baby between 16 to 20 weeks. So between 16 to 20 weeks, the mother feel the fetal movements. Then here the nails of that is the fingers and toes. It is also observable in that 20th week, means in the 5th month of that particular baby and all. Then 24th week. In the 24th week, one can observable related to eyelids are open. In this particular stage, eyelids are open. Then in this particular stage, which one can that particular related to government aspects and all. So ready to, that is we called as separate abortion. Which one can abnormalities, which one can identify with the help of amniocentesis and all. So officially, which one can governmentally, according to rules and regulation, which one can terminate the particular fetus and all. Eyelids are open. Then 26th week. 26th week normally, so ready to development of that particular baby. So ready to develop or ready to survival. Ready to survival, even one can deliver in this stage. So if it delivered, so premature baby in that particular time ready to work. Then if you observe on 28th week, then vigorous movement, it is most important. Many times they ask, that is vigorous movement one can take place with the help of vigorous movement, that particular fetus which one can swallowing amniotic fluid as well as urinating fluids and all. So swallowing amniotic fluid as well as urinating fluids, both one can, because of vigorous movements one can take place. Then if we observe on then here only you must one more remembering and regarding related to that particular response of that fetus, even one can make it sounds and all. In 30th one, that lying down of fetus. Then 40th week, that is the birth. Lying down of the baby, that means upside down. Then 40th week, ready to deliver on that particular baby and all. Lying down means due to vigorous movement automatically that head which one can upside down. Then in that 40th week, that means 9 months plus or minus 7 days related to human being ready to deliver in that particular baby and all, either male or female. Related to male, little bit more weight it will be present. Related to female, less weight when we compare to that one. But all these things are while taking of gestation period, pregnant mother one can take balanced nutritional diet.